Joining now. Yeah, if you come online, I will admit. Then we can use yeah one admit. I have admitted one admit. Hello, how are you? Acha, acha. Now I will disconnect this phone. You can use your mic and speak. I will use computer's mic and speak. Hello. Yeah, I am admitting another person. Two people have come. Yeah, two have been admitted. Anybody else is coming? Hello. Yeah, 1 minute. आवाज नहीं आता है आपको. Please sound. No.
Hi, sir. Aman is just connecting. Who is to be interviewed first?
Acha.
He's just reconnecting.
Yeah. No problem. Let him come and afterwards, because here I don't need the picture also, only voice is needed.
Okay. No issue. Just he is reconnecting in 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, oh, no problem. Manish Gautam, you can also switch on your mic, Nata.
Yes, sir. It's switched on.
Yeah.
Due to of no disturbance.
All the three also you can have. Only thing is we will have turns and speak. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Another person is coming.
Yes, he's coming, sir.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the host to
Sir.
Yeah, I have admitted. I have admitted Deepak Vijan and EA72CE.
Yeah, he is Aman.
Yeah, Aman. He is Aman. Acha. Now let him switch on the mic. Now Deepak Vijan. Please switch on the unmute the mic.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You are Aman.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Oh, good evening. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, Aman. Good evening, sir.
You are working in which bank? Hello. You are working in which bank?
Sorry, sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Acha, voice is not.
I'm working in ICICI Bank, sir.
Acha,
since July 2018.
Oh, 1 minute.
No, sir, you are not audible, sir. Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. देखो ना please.
moving. Hello, hello. Are you able
Yes,
to
sir.
hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you are able to hear me. Good, very good. Which bank are you working?
Yes, sir.
Which bank are you working?
Sir, I'm working in ICICI Bank, sir, since
Very good.
July 2018, sir.
What is the job role of yours? What is
Sir,
the job role?
at
Yeah.
starting, I was in the general banking operation
Hmm.
in commercial banking group of
Hmm.
ICICI Bank, where
Hmm.
where I was looking after the general banking operation, just like NEFT, RTGS, account
Hmm.
opening, CMS
Hmm.
setup. After that, I was moved to trade and finance role,
Hmm.
where I have to handle and process the trade transaction of corporate clients
Hmm.
such as bill discounting, LC bill discounting, import and trade, import and export transaction, inward and outward remittance. And in September 2019, I was shifted to a sales role
Oh,
as an
yeah.
account manager, where my
Acha.
main job role is to acquire new clients and provide servicing to existing clients. We cater
Oh.
to mainly targeted clients are small medium enterprises, mid corporates, large corporates group, and
Hmm.
government business.
Hmm.
We cater to this client for fund based and non fund based limit,
Hmm.
and in working closely with credit teams, and
Very good.
also advise them for best trade solutions and cash management solution for their businesses, sir.
Acha. You said earlier you were working with trade finance and all that. So
Yes, sir.
what is the document you are using for the knowing about the terms and conditions that are used in LC? What is that document? You remember?
Sir, for issuing of LC for or under LC?
Issuing of LC.
Sir, in issuing of LC, the contract between the buyer and seller is required,
Hmm.
and what the amount of guarantee which buyer wants to give to the beneficiary, sir.
Hmm. No, that is all okay. What is the name of the international document that is in use among bankers internationally? What I think you must be knowing it, but you are not remembering it. It
No, sir,
starts
it is a
with letter
UCP,
U,
sir. It is a UCP.
UCPDC.
UCP 600, sir.
Yeah, very good. Are you familiar with the INCO terms?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell one or two INCO terms?
Sir, X works or DAP,
Hmm.
delivery at place,
Hmm.
delivery at terminal,
Hmm.
at and
FOB means FOB.
freight. One second, sir. Freight. I don't remember
You
exactly,
don't
sir.
remember free on board.
Free on board, right, sir?
Yeah, very good. Now you are into sales. Your idea is
Yes,
to
sir.
canvas people for new accounts and all, and you said you are into MSME and all that, correct?
Yes, sir.
Recently, there has been a new change in definition of MSME. Can you tell me what is small, medium enterprises? Yeah.
Sir, right now the government has changed
Micro,
the
small, medium. What is
yes,
micro?
sir.
What is small? What is medium? Yeah.
Government has changed, sir, changed the turnover and investment limit for the micro, small, and medium enterprises. For
Correct.
micro, if an investment is below 1 crore or
Hmm.
total turnover is below 10 crores, it is a micro industries.
Are you
And
sure?
for small,
Are you sure? It is 5 crore.
sorry, it is a 5 crores. Sorry,
Hmm.
sir, it is a 5 crore.
Uh,
And
and
for small, up to an investment of 10 crores and a turnover of 50 crores, sir.
now you're in your hurry. You are using a wrong. First is micro, next is small. Correct. 10 and 50.
Yep.
Correct. Good. You are
Yeah,
right.
and in
Next one.
and in medium, sir, investment of up to 50 crores and turnover up to 250 crores, sir.
Excellent. Good. You told rightly. And now can you tell me this comes under priority sector definition? This
Yes, sir.
MSME comes under priority sector. So
Right,
how
sir.
much of a total advances of a commercial bank should be given to priority sector?
40%, sir. Out of
Suppose
which for micro, 7.5% to the micro industries, sir.
excellent. supposing it is a small bank, how much percentage should be made for priority sector?
75%, sir.
Correct. RRB?
It is also 75%, sir.
Good, very good. Can you name the other type of sectors that is coming within the bracket of priority sector?
Urban cooperative banks, sir.
No,
Right
no.
now-
I am asking to tell me the other priority sector advances.
Okay,
Other priority
sir, it is
sectors.
okay, sir. It is agriculture,
Correct.
MSME,
Correct.
export credit,
Correct.
housing, education loan, social infrastructure,
Mm.
renewable energy, and others.
Super. There is one more added now, startup.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Startup, right?
Startup has been added newly. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now, supposing we are giving loan to housing sector, up to what amount is covered, and if it is up to how much amount it is covered under the priority sector housing loan, and the loan is given in metro or urban areas. Perhaps you are not aware of. Perhaps you are not aware of. It is 35 lakhs. 35 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
And if
Yes,
it is
sir.
a non-urban and also semi-urban and rural, it is how much?
25 lakhs.
Good.
25 lakhs, sir.
Excellent. Supposing we go to education, how much is
sir.
the limit?
It is for national, it is 10 lakhs, sir, 1 million. And for foreign, it is foreign education, it is 2 million, 20 lakhs, sir.
And now I think they have revised the this thing, whether it is foreign or Indian, up to 20 lakhs is covered under priority sector. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please check
Okay,
it up.
sir.
Please check it up and you
Okay.
get to know that also. Very good.
Oh.
So I think yours is a very challenging job where you have to go for new clients and get it. How do you try to canvas new clients? It's not that very easy to get new clients. How do you go
Yes,
about
sir.
succeeding in getting new clients?
Sir, we check the information of the clients and the number of clients in Savris. This is a portal where we get the details of the company, sir. And after getting some basic knowledge of the company, we try to take the appointment of the company. And after getting the appointment, we talk to a client about his requirement for the banking, which suppose sir कि अगर उनको क्या उनका काम है पहले वो समझते हैं सर, देन उनका फंड बेस्ड नॉन फंड बेस्ड लिमिट कितना उसको चाहिए, उनका एक्सपेक्टेड रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कितना है, व्हाट दे एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम बैंक सर. So that needs we understand and we cater to this business to the businesses according to their needs, sir.
Very good. Your point that we try to understand the needs of the group. You can also use the word, we try to put ourselves in their place, like empathy. You must have been told
Yes,
in
sir.
your MBA class, sympathy, empathy and all this, correct?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
that's right. Very good. What you told is right. Now, let me take you to ICICI. Yeah. Have you heard of the term venture capital? Venture capital. Which authority is controlling venture capitalists? Like
Sir,
Reserve
I
Bank
have
is
heard
controlling.
about this.
You have
Sorry,
not heard
sir.
about this. Acha.
Yeah, I've
Venture
heard about this, sir, but I am not sure right now, sir.
SEBI, Securities
Yes, sir.
Exchange Board of India. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Very
sir.
good. Now, can you tell me some ideas about financial inclusion and what way you are helping in achieving financial inclusion?
Sir, mainly financial inclusion is for the uncatered or weaker section of the society to link to the banking system, or not only the banking system, also for the giving
Insurance.
loans to them for insurance, everything for that to link to the banking system. Government has took the initiative for just like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, where government has opened around 42 lakhs of the account. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana for the accidental insurance, where they have to pay 12 rupees premium, and they get a insurance of 2 lakhs against the death or the full disability, or for partial disability they get the insurance of 1 lakh. Pradhan Mantri Atal Pension Yojana for the
Hmm.
pension scheme for that a weaker section.
Hmm.
Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Yojana for life insurance, where they have to pay 330 premium and they get a life assured of uh, 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Good.
Yes.
You can also tell about PMSSBY. Then you can also tell about small banks being opened and RRBs
sir.
being opened. Then payment banks being opened. One more thing, banking correspondents being appointed.
Yes, sir.
You know what is a banking correspondent? You are living in city, you may not know.
Banking,
you
sir,
heard?
banking correspondent is appointed by the bank
Hmm.
to serve the weaker section in the rural areas where bank can't reach.
Very good.
They what they do is they
Yeah. Hello.
deposit in
Yeah.
the check. They encash the check from the branch and people
Yeah,
in the rural
they
section,
help
sir.
in minimum cash transactions in the villages. Excellent. Very good. What was your full name?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. You did well. Now we will
Aman
go on.
Agarwal, sir.
Agarwal. We will go to the next person who is going to come. Then after these 30 minutes, we will have some 5 minutes. where
Manish
we can
Gautam,
have-
sir.
Gautam. Gautam, please come.
Yes, coming.
Okay.
Gautam ji. Acha, same place. Very good. Good. Your performance was good.
Hi,
Yeah,
sir.
you
Good
did
evening.
well. Yeah. Gautam, hello. How are you? Gautam.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Oh, very good. Gautam, you are all in which place? That itself I have not heard. Where are you?
Sir, I am
Yeah.
posted at Gurgaon.
Gurgaon. All of you are from same place, more or less. All of you.
No, sir. We are like college friends.
Oh,
One is
acha,
from
acha.
Ranchi,
You
one
are
is from
working in
Goa.
different places.
And
Yeah. Yeah.
correct, sir.
Very good. What is your basic degree?
Sir, I have completed Bachelor in Computer Applications,
Oh,
graduation.
BCA. BCA.
And yes,
After
sir.
that, you joined ICICI MBA program, correct? You are
Yes,
also
sir.
in
Correct.
ICICI MBA program. Good. So now,
But currently, I am working with Yes Bank Limited.
oh, you have changed already. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Oh, how many years you were with ICICI Bank?
Sir, with ICICI Bank, I was till 1 year, 1 month. And
Oh,
after that, I have joined Yes Bank Limited.
acha. Yes Bank Limited. For how many months are you serving there? More than a year.
Sir, more than 1.5 years.
Acha, you got the job and left the previous job, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, that's really good. What made you jump for S Bank at a time when you were supposed to be in a good bank, ICICI Bank? You were in a systemically
Yes, sir.
important bank. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually, no doubt ICICI was a very good platform to work. And in my experience, I have learned a lot also. However, the opportunity that I was getting in Yes Bank Limited is for leadership profile.
Oh.
This has been, yes, sir. This has been like helped me in grooming my leadership quality and to work with the team as well.
Good. So probably you would have got a salary increase also, correct?
Yes, sir. That was also.
Very good. So now in the present role as in S Bank, what is the role you are playing?
Sir, actually, I have a team of 8. And for that 8 people, we are 2 leaders. One is totally focused in acquisition part, that the team do the quantity of the acquisition, and they can open account as soon as possible to the branch. And my work is to ensure that they open quality accounts for the bank. After the accounts get opened, it's totally my key responsibility area to do the sales and the service part of the customer and provide them different banking solution as per their need, like trade and forex products or CMS products. And
what
sir,
is
after
CMS
providing
means
them
cash management service, cash management.
Yes, sir. Cash management services.
I suggest in interview situations, please use full form instead of abbreviation. Not that, of course, those people will be knowing. However, in State Bank of India, maybe they are not that very comfortable. You can use full cash management service. Yeah.
Sure, sir. Sure. I'll keep in mind.
Mm.
So by providing this sales and service part, I like making after making the relationship with the customers. It's my job role to get the new references from them so that I can increase the new to base customer base in our branch.
Okay, good. You said my job is to find out the quality customers. How will you do that?
Yes, sir.
How will you find out
It's
good
all
quality?
about, yeah. Sir, actually the team is supposed to acquire trade and forex customers and the customer who is in require of cash management services. So whenever the account gets opened, it always go through me. So I have to check that customer is like just a new startup, or like it's a small retail shop, or it's an importer or exporter, or client is into which business, the potential of the customer, what the monthly volume of the customer, what is the turnover of the customer. So I look into that part mainly.
Very good. So now under cash management services, are you outsourcing this work to others, or is it that your own people go and collect the cash? Cash management services.
Sorry, sir. The voice break was there. I was not.
So
I didn't
cash
get the question.
management services, are you doing it yourself or it is outsourced? The work is it outsourced?
No, sir. In cash management. No, sir. In cash management services, I am the one who is looking for the need of the customer, and according to the business model, and get the documentation part done. And also, this is my responsibility to raise that documentation in our system and get it done from our backend team.
No, I was asking about the process of collecting cash, distributing cash and all. Is it done through outsourcing or through your own people?
Yeah. No. It's through outsourcing, sir. It is
outsourcing. Excellent. I understood. Good. Can you tell me what is a letter of credit?
Yes, sir. Letter of credit is an agreement or a contract between importer and exporter. For example, sir, if we go through with an example, like if an importer is sitting in India and the exporter is sitting in USA, and there is no full faith between them, so they issue a letter of credit where banks get involved, where the importer draws a letter of credits in the name of exporter through the bank with the certain terms and condition, that if the things will be get fulfilled, the importer bank will pay to the exporter bank.
Good. Correct. Good. In what way is it different from guarantee?
Sir, I can say a small and the major difference between LC and bank guarantee is LC come in place when there is a performance, and bank guarantee comes in place where there is non-performance.
No, don't.
For example, if
normally performance guarantees are there. Yeah, I think. See, normally guarantees are you issuing for foreign parties or inland parties?
So normally I issue bank guarantee for inland customers.
Inland cases only, where your customer will be performing a contract for the government or a big company. And if he is not fulfilling the contract, that will be, so we are issuing a guarantee in favor of the government. And we say on behalf of our customer. And towards that, we are supposed to get, some banks take counter guarantee and they take margin and all. They require margin and all. Very good. So why banks are doing such businesses? What is the gain for bank? What is the gain for the bank?
Because bank is gaining the fee income from that. For example, the bank guarantee we issue for the customer, which charges 1%, or it's upon the how the comfortability with the bank and the customer, we charge 1% with the customer of the amount of the bank guarantee. So it is a clean fee income for the bank.
So good, your point is right. For the non-fund based income, it is mainly for the non-fund based income that banks are resorting to such businesses, because otherwise major income of the banks is only through interest income. Okay, now tell me, have you had any experience of having tough accounts or accounts where repayment was tough or not easy? Have you had some accounts?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, sir, repayment in terms of like loan and advances, or like in which term
No.
repayment?
When you give LC, you open an LC, it goes to the foreign company. Foreign company sends
Correct,
it.
sir.
Then when the bill comes, you have to pay.
मुझे
If the
इंटरनेट से
borrower
कनेक्ट
is
करने में
not
समस्या हो
going,
रही है। Alexa ऐप की सहायता से
if the borrower is not going to meet the funds, you have to give it as a loan. And in that case, what happens? There comes a problem of recovery of money from the borrower. Have you had any such instances, and how did you overcome
Sir,
them?
yeah, sir, there are some circumstances. Actually, sir, whenever we issue the LC, we take the like guarantee from the customer. For example, we issue LC. If there is a limit of the customer, then we mark a lien mark on that, and then we issue LC. Or we can also take a fixed deposit on which we can mark a lien, and we issue LC for the customer. If however, whenever when the due date comes and bank has to pay on the due date, and customer is like not paying to the bank, or like not giving the true response to the bank, for the remittance part. So we get the follow up with the customer that your payment is due on this date under the LC. If you will not pay, we will like liquidate the fund which we have lien marked against the LC, and we will pay to the foreign party.
No, it is not a bed of rose as you think it to be. It's not always they provide 100% lien. They may not provide 100% lien. Many of the companies, they will give you only 10% margin, 20% margin.
Sure.
Now, in such cases, it becomes a overdue advance, which we have to recover from the party. It depends, not always. For example, okay, that apart, it's a very big topic. What was the nature of problem that happened in Punjab National Bank? Last question. In Punjab National Bank, yeah. Have you heard about it? Have you heard Nirav Modi?
Sir, I have heard about this case, but frankly, not have so much of knowledge that I can.
Good. No, that was because the two people, one deputy general manager and another manager, they colluded together and issued a letter of undertaking or something like that. Outside they issued through SWIFT, but not routing through the records of the bank. The SWIFT message was coded properly, but the message was sent not through the official records. There was no record with the bank. With the result, it became a liability when foreign banks opened, gave advances relying on that letter of comfort or whatever it is. Okay? Very good.
That's why I guess bank has been banned also letter of undertaking in 2008.
Acha. Very good. Anyhow, thank you. You also talked very nicely. Best wishes. Your communication is nice. Excepting that, be aware that in real interview, it is going to be 5 to 10 minutes only. इसलिए आप और भी contract करके बात करना है. जो कुछ आप बोल रहे हैं ना, इसको और भी reduce करके briefly बताना.
Okay, sir.
That is the only point I would like. Otherwise, you are funded with information, both of you so far, and you are also communication excellent. But thoda lamba lagta hai, probably. I'm not sure. You look at the eyes of the interviewer. From there, you can know whether you should stop or not. Okay.
So I'll keep in mind, sir.
Yes, very good. Thank you. We will go to the next person.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. Manish Gautam. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Manish. How are you?
Sir, my name is Deepak Vision.
Achha, you are Deepak. Achha, Deepak.
Yes, sir.
Deepak, you are also in ICICI?
Sir, no, sir. Currently, I am working with Federal Bank.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. How come you landed in Federal Bank? After which degree did you join them?
Sir, after completing my
graduation. All of you studied together? 3 of you studied together? No.
No, sir. Two of us have studied together, and the third one, Manish, was in another college.
Achha, good. Now tell me, when did you join Federal Bank and as what?
And sir, after completing my graduations from Vinoba Bhave University, I was selected for the PO program of Federal Bank, where I have completed postgraduate diploma in banking and finance from Manipal University, Bengaluru. And upon completing the internship at Federal Bank New Market branch, I was posted as provisionary officer at Jorhat, Assam. And I have handled May I Help You section, CASA section, branch operations, and priority relationship section over a period of 2.5 years at Jorhat. And currently I am working as assistant manager in Ranchi branch, where I'm handling loans and advances section. And my key area is to look after retail loans like auto loan, housing loan, education loan, and gold loan.
Oh, of these, which one you are selling more?
So auto loan. We are
Auto
mostly
loan.
into auto loan.
Achha,
Yeah.
can you tell the procedure you are observing briefly? Auto loan.
So for auto loan, the first we see the nature of the customer, whether he is a salaried employed or a self-employed. If he is a salaried employed, then we ask for the salary slip. And first we get the KYC of the customer and we do the civil check. Upon checking the civil, we get to know about the repayment track of the customer and is outstanding obligations, and is there any default or is there any DPDs in the account. And once we are okay with the civil check, then we ask for the financial documents, like if he is a salaried employed, we will ask for salary slip, account statement, and employee ID, and 2 years ITR or Form 16. And if he is a self-employed customer, we will ask for the 2 years account ITR along with the computation of income and balance sheet and P&L. And apart from this method, sir, our bank is also into ABB method, which is called as average balance banking. We also since I am posted at Ranchi, there are many customers who are not filing ITRs, but they income, which they are unable to show it into their books of account.
Yeah.
So what we do, we take the statement for the last 12 months of the customer, and based on the average banking, based on the bank statement, we sanction.
Now tell me, what are the precautions we take after disbursal of the advance? We do take some documents, etc. Yeah. What is it we take?
So first we do the full documentation.
Correct.
And then in case of auto loan, we take the RC copy from the applicant to mark it the hypothecation of the bank on the RC copy.
Very good. Correct.
So that we can proceed under the SARFAESI Act in case of default.
There is one more act we have to do. We are doing one thing more. We are taking duplicate key also. We have to take,
but in our bank, there is no expectation of taking the duplicate keys of the customer.
Not there. Acha. Oh.
But we take the RC booklet.
Yeah.
We take the RC booklet. So that in case of the default, the vehicle can be transferred in the name of the bank or any other party to whom we are selling under SARFAESI.
Very good. Are you coming across NPAs in this?
Sir, actually, our bank is very much strict into the credit ratio, into the credit parts, into the financials. And for the last 1.5 years, I have disbursed more than 70 auto loans. And even after COVID period, we have not faced even not any of the loan has fallen into SMA category. Excellent. And that is the biggest achievement that me and my manager have achieved, because there is no case of NPA.
Excellent. That's really good. Now, can you tell me something about SARFAESI Act?
Yes, sir. Sir, SARFAESI Act stands for Securitization and Reconstruction of Assets and Security Interest of India. It was formed in 2002. So under SARFAESI Act, the bank can take the possession of the security and go, for.
I was under the impression it is only for immovable properties. Is it applicable for movable properties also?
Yes, sir. It is applicable for movable properties as well, because in case of in case of auto loan, the property involved is movable, like
Please
it's a
check it.
car.
Please check it
So
up.
surfaces,
Please check up this point. I am of the view
Okay.
that it's applicable for immobile property because we get right to take possession under the hypothecation agreement. The
yes, sir. We
hypothecation
first give a
agreement.
demand notice of 60 days, and then we take the possession, and then we proceed to sale. Or if it is a immovable property, we either lease it, or if it is a CC account, we can also go for the AMC, whether the AMC will take the management of the company.
Excellent. Very good. Who is the chairman of SBI?
So the current chairman of the SBI is Mr. Dinesh Kumar Khara.
How many branches are there in SBI?
So right now, SBI is having a vast network of more than 22,000 branches and more than 58,500 ATMs.
Very good. How many employees are there in SBI? Roughly.
Sir, it is close to or more than 2.5 lakh.
Very good. Very nice. You are also talking nicely. Ask them to come. Are they there now? Are they there now? Nearby you?
No, sir. They are not right now. No, sir. They are outside.
They are outside. Very good.
Yes, sir.
You are also talking very
Yes,
well. Absolutely. There won't be
Thank you,
any
sir.
problem. Which date is your interview? You have got interview on?
So my interview is on 18th
18th.
at Jaipur.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. I enjoyed talking to all of you. And it's so nice. You're all so bright. I think
Thank you, sir.
they will have no option but to select you all because you're all reverberating with energy. Reverberating with energy.
Yes, sir.
So
we
best wishes.
hope we all make it through, sir.
You will succeed. You will all succeed. Absolutely, there won't be any.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So best wishes.
Sir,
And,
is there any suggestions from your side?
Suggestion for the suggestion that you should talk briefly was more applicable for the second man, and it is partly applicable for both of you also. In my view. In my view, the second man more, he talks little more, and you and the first man also, maybe you think of how you can reduce it briefly to a concise manner. Supposing I record it and send it through email to you, you can play your part 10 minutes and see in this portion how I can communicate briefly. You just think.
Okay.
That is an exercise. Understand? I'm not decrying you. You are all excellent.
No.
Sure.
Nine plus parties.
Thank you, sir.
All the three of you are 9+ parties, but let them they won't allow you to talk this much. They will not allow you to talk this much. They will cut you in between. Understand?
Sure.
Could you follow what I said?
Sure. Yeah, I got it, sir.
Yeah. Very
Yes, sir.
nice.
Yes, sir.
I'm really happy that on the initiative of the three of you, all of you came together, and this is the first exercise where I did like this in a collective manner.Maybe this will help me in arranging for GDs, for State Bank of India and all, when POs come. Very good. In which case I will take timing, upgrade the timing also, so that there will not be any problems.
Sure,
But this helped me instead of calling over phone and shouting. This was very good. Thank you. Best wishes. My rating for all the three of you is 9+ out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
Rest is
Thank
in
you so
God's
much, sir.
hands. Rest is in God's hands. If you
Thank you, sir.
I'm not posting in YouTube. I will give you this video. Okay? Or
Okay,
you
sir.
want it to be posted?
So we are comfortable if you will post it to the YouTube.
Okay, I will post it. No problem. Best wishes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. I enjoyed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank
you, sir.
I want one
Thank
more
you, sir.
thing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And the credit goes to all of you for making it happen at short notice. अरे भाई ऐसा जाने से तो आप लोग जल्दी marriage भी कर देंगे, हाँ? All of you are not married, ना?
Yes,
शादी
sir,
हो
not
गया?
married.
Married?
None of us.
None of you. ऐसा में भी शादी भी जल्दी हो जाएगा. Best wishes, blessings.
Thank you, sir.
As
Thank
an
you, sir.
elderly man, this is what I will say. Thank you. The time is going to end. I will stop. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye. I enjoyed.
Goodbye, sir.
First
Goodbye,
step.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.